MasterCard, the card many of us use for our daily digital payment transactions, might become a relic of the past, with the Reserve Bank of India banning the global card network from issuing new credit and debit cards in India from July 22. The action has been taken due to MasterCard's failure to comply with India's data storage norms effective from October 2018 that required the company to store its payments data only in India. According to a 2020 study, MasterCard accounts for 33% of card payments in India, second only to Visa that accounts for 45% of the card payments. With the RBI ban, banks like Yes Bank and RBL Bank that completely rely on MasterCard for their credit card schemes will need 2 to 3 months to switch to Visa, which is the only existing viable option for credit cards. RBL has already initiated the switch to Visa. Other banks like ICICI Bank and Axis Bank issue between 30 to 35% of their credit cards with MasterCard. Bajaj Finserv, the non-banking insurance company, will also be hit as it has co-branded cards with RBL Bank and issues cards with MasterCard. Many believe the move will prove to be favorable for the homegrown card network RuPay, which is owned by RBI's National Payments Corporation of India. In November 2020, RuPay emerged as a dominant player with a market share of around 60% in total cards issued from a mere 70% market share in 2017. But RuPay might only make gains in the debit card space as it is still not accepted by many global websites. Here, Visa stands to take away almost all of MasterCard credit card users. It might also prove beneficial for the partly state-owned digital payment system UPI, which users might want to take up as a replacement for card transactions. The move, however, signals that India is not willing to negotiate with foreign credit card companies. India's central bank also barred American Express and Diners Club International from issuing new cards due to similar data violations in May. The Narendra Modi government has been known to promote RuPay by associating it with nationalism. In 2014, Modi launched the Jan Dhan Yojana, where the beneficiaries were offered a free RuPay debit card with a basic bank account, leaving out foreign credit card companies from the scheme. However, MasterCard is still hoping to resolve the concerns with RBI in the near future, the Federal report.